So, just off camera is my colossal black rescue cat, Samson.
Oh.
Go on, Samson. So if I yawn, it indicates to him that I'm relaxed, I'm not a threat, because he's quite a twitchy rescue cat. So at the moment, I don't think he can be asked. Samson, come on then. So if I blink at him, that's also smiling. So here he comes. I'd like to introduce you to a completely black cat called Samson. He doesn't actually show up on the video, but he is right in front of you. If I bring my hand up here, you can see. And you can probably hear him purring as well. There you go, Samson, there's the internet. I don't know if you can see his eyes or anything, you can just see his eyes there. You gonna puke on me, Samson? Yeah. So you'll do a little figure of 8, you'll go over there for a wee bit. We can stroke him and he'll come back, because he's a little creature of habit. You're going to come back? Yeah, of course he's going to come back, he always does. Yeah, so like I said, I've got a black sofa, black hoodie, black pair of trousers, and black cat, so you're not going to see anything apart from his outline. In fact, you might be able to see his outline there. Well, he's giving me little smiley eyes. So yeah, I feel like, what's his name? Dr. Frickin' Evil. So maybe the next time I introduce Samson to you, what's he doing? He's going to sniff at my feet. I might wear something different so you can actually see him. But he just absorbs light. Maybe we should coat the inside of telescopes with Samson's fur. He might need it though. So incredibly soft. Anyway, internet. See you later.